In today's show, I'm going to teach you how to fix See's chocolate and teach you what is See's chocolate. This is a big blob of nothing really, but we can definitely turn it into something really good. This happened because moisture was added to chocolate, and water and chocolate don't go together because chocolate is mostly fat and water. In the process of turning the cocoa bean into chocolate, the water or the moisture is drawn out and it's left with a solid product based of cocoa butter, fat, cocoa, and sugar. So basically, even when the chocolate is in the liquid state, it's still considered a dry product. But don't fear, because I know how to fix it in just 2 seconds. You take your big blob of this and you put it in a bowl, in a bigger bowl, because you're going to be whisking. And you've got 2 options. What you can do is you can either use boiling water, yes, the same thing that causes it also fixes it, or you can use hot milk or cream. I prefer using cream just because it gives a more silky texture and flavor, but it's really up to you. You can use water or milk, as I said. Today I'm using cream. And you want to add little by little because you don't want to overdo it either. And I'm going to switch to a whisk. And you're just going to whisk away like that. And it's gonna slowly but surely bring it back to the liquid form. However, this you cannot use for couverture. This you can definitely use as a sauce. You can put it on top of ice cream, a cake. You can do a ganache with it, but other than that, you see, it's going back to the liquid texture that we're looking for. If I were to use this, I would definitely use it maybe as the base of a mousse. That works perfectly too. Because you don't need, for those things, you don't need the chocolate to be in its most excellent form. But for couverture, you do want it to be at its best. You see? And then you can do some truffles with this too. Oh, truffles. And then, of course, if you use water, you may need less than you would cream because you will get a more thin consistency. But I'm all about creaminess, so I went for cream. Ratio of milk, of cream, water, milk, whatever you use to chocolate really depends on the consistency you want to get. And of course, depending on how much chocolate you have with you, right? But this is almost what I'm looking for. And guys, here you go. See's what? Nothing happened really. Except you just saved a whole block of chocolate and happiness and money and everything. So, here you go. You can definitely, who can tell this was See's 2 minutes ago? This is perfect again for ice cream. You can perhaps put it into like a base for a chocolate or for whatever. And the dog too. So that's it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.